everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Somnath Mukherjee. I read in class 3 of Ruchika High School. Wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Our country India got independence from British rule on 15th August 1947 by the Indian Independence Act. Before 15th August 1947, India was a colonial state of England. But from 15th August 1947, India became a dominant state in which England had no power except to appoint the head of state of India. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India was commenced and India became a democratic republic. Hence, this day is called the Republic Day of India. This is a very important day for our country. From this day, India was no more a dominant state. It became a fully independent democratic republic. Every year the Republic Day is celebrated all over India with enthusiasm and patriotism. Republic Day is a national holiday. The Republic Day parade is held every year at Rajpath, New Delhi. Indian military shows their latest weapons on this parade. President of India honors distinguished military and civil services on this day. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Bye.